I need to drill a hole for the 110 cord for the fridge that I forgot. I have to find a way to attach this 12 volt line, insert the 110 volt. Okay. Oh, I got juice. So the fridge is working. Well, it's cold, cool, and rainy in sunny Florida. But what I want to do is to temporarily install these lights. First. Okay, this is the wire that comes from the fuse box. And I'll bury that in the insulation. Doing two wires now together. It'll go from the fuse box, one to the water pump and the other to a distribution point. I'll just put them together just to make them a little bit easier to handle. I'm going to do some soldering on site. So let's see if that works. Another temporary installation because I'm not really ready to put it in there. My water heater. It is a 2.5 gallon Bosch water heater, very simple, the smallest I could get, well, more or less the smallest that I could get, and I want to place it on this wall. First thing what I'll do is just make sure that it's connected to the back wall. Now let's see how that works. What I'll probably do is, since it's just hanging in there, which should be sufficient because you have to remember it'll be filled with 2.5 gallons of water too. And I'll probably add a strip of wood over here as well on top, so that it won't be able to lift off. What hasn't been an eyesore for me are these interior lights. I already at the very beginning removed the lights just behind the cab, but I still got these two in the rear, at the rear doors, and they're always on when I'm working on the van. Let's see if I can remove them. That is simple. As a temporary measure, I'll connect a battery monitor on this side. So it's charging about 4.5 amps now, which goes partly to the battery as well as to the fridge. It's working right now. I bought a little basket with some cactuses in there for my flower pots. Since I won't be planting any herbs soon, I thought I'll put a few cacti in there. Okay, so let's put that at the furthest. Yep. Okay, so I got my flower garden with me.
Hi guys, this is Joey, and and we're building a one-of-a-kind RV. Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. If you enjoyed the video, give us a like and subscribe, or better yet, leave a comment. Thanks guys. You've done a good job.